29 Sign how to make him want you more. To make he want you, you have to make him feel good. In other words, men like to be around what makes them feel better about themselves. So the question becomes, what are the things you can do that would make him feel good? This video for you. Watch this video to the end and learn 24 traits of this video. Let's start. Number 1. Always be more natural. Believe it or not, it's fun to have all the dolls for your boy. And the best way to find out how he wants you the most is to be more natural. Use less hair products, do not wear crazy makeup, and you will not feel that you always have to wear makeup around him. Boys like to see you dressed up, but they prefer your natural side than you always dress up, or wear full face masks around the clock. That said, if you are not going out of town for the night, go more natural. Your guy will see you for real, that's what he wants first. Number 2. Cook for him. Men like a good diet. Even if you always burn your food, you should try to give him dinner on your day. If you can make his stomach happy, you will make his heart happy too. Every man wants to land a great chef, so if you give him a meal, he will brag about you to all his friends. Number 3. Buy a gift for him. He does not have to wait for his birthday or holiday to buy a thoughtful gift. If you buy something you know he loves, how can you stop him from kissing you? Relationships should contain random kindness, so go out and buy him something special. Number 4. Take care of yourself. When you are comfortable with someone, it is easy to give up things, but don't let it become a habit. Men love and appreciate a woman who takes good care of them. You want to make your boyfriend look good, so be sure to take care of yourself by exercising, eating healthy, and giving yourself time to rest and relax. Not only will he appreciate that you are good, but he will like it when everyone is looking at you. Number 5. Before we begin, if you are new here, subscribe for more social psychology videos. Don't miss anything in future video. And comment down below I subscribed so we can welcome you. Number 5. Make sure you're touchably soft. Since we are on the same subject, another great hint is that he keeps you smooth with the desire to touch you. Exhale and rub in one of his favorite scented perfumes to create a lasting feeling. He will not be able to take his hands away from you, and he will associate that scent with you. Have you ever fought against the urge to hug and kiss a boy who smells delicious? Well, men are crazy about beautiful scents like us. Buy perfume or even deodorant with an attractive scent, then he will be all over you. Number 6. Buy new clothes. Wear something you have never worn before to show off a new area of your body. If you only wear jeans, try wearing a skirt. If you only wear heels, try throwing on some flats. He will appreciate your beautiful body when he sees you in something new. Number 7. Always take pictures. There is nothing wrong with filling your Facebook with selfies. When he sees other boys liking your photos, he will realize that he is not the only one who is attracted to you. Posting pictures with your friends is also a good idea, because he will see how happy you are when you are not around. It shows him that you have a life outside of your relationship. Number 8. Focus on what he likes. You do not have to show that you love football because you know he's a fan. But you can study the statistics and watch a game with him. He will appreciate your effort. How can you oppose a girl who has a real interest in his hobbies? Number 9. Compliment him. People want to know what they like. If your boyfriend wears a shirt you like, tell him. If his hands are strong, squeeze them and praise them. If you've been in a relationship with him, he already knows you like him, so do not stop teasing him. Number 10. Use body language. You may have heard that verbs speak louder than words. This means that your body language can become hot and heavy throughout the room if you make the right movements. Eye contact is the most important tool to use, but you need to make sure that you are not lazy and not angry enough to approach you. Keep it flirty. Number 11. Try out a new trick. If you have never kissed his neck or his ear, do it the next time you see him. Trying a new tactic, no matter how simple, can drive him crazy. Don't worry about messing up, because he won't worry about being your test subject. Number 12. Let him see you in action. If you are a racing star, invite him to watch you run. If you are a writer, send him a story to read. Once he sees how talented you are, he will not be able to resist you. A girl with passion is a turn, so don't be afraid to mess up your stuff. Number 13. Make plans without him. Do not be so easy on him. Boys don't want a girl around all the time because they have no desire left. If you make plans with your friends and he wants to see you, He may feel a little reluctant, but he will ask again. He already wants to spend time with you, so hang on to him from time to time. This makes him want you more. We all want what we can't have. Number 14. Act confident. Who does not love a faithful person? We all believe in cock, not humans, because it is an attractive trait. Boys don't want a cowardly girl who always talks low and is suspicious of herself. Confidence is sexy. Never lift your chin, walk as if the place belongs to you, and do not forget to look at people. Number 15. Don't appear too high maintenance. Men who think they have to wear some kind of dress or pay a certain dollar to maintain a woman's beauty or material maintenance can quickly lose interest. They may lose interest in you because they feel they cannot cope with your requests or needs. Do not maintain too high and expect this to be attractive to a man. Whether it's nice to have nice things or to have a nice look, you'll find a happy medium here to keep it safe. Number 16. Make him work for your attention a little. If you are going to eat or watch a movie, the best way for your man to want you more is to let him do a lot of work. Let him grab your hand, steal a kiss, or open the door for you. Let him know that you expect these things, not just the first person to take all the steps. Also, when you come home from a date, do not let him text you right away, but instead let him text or call you. If he does not, wait until the next day. If you have not heard from him by the next day, you should still wait to let him contact you. If he does not even have the courtesy to call you later in the day, do not go after him. He is not worth your time, believe me. Number 17. Don't call him first. Never talk to a boy first. It means that you like him more than you do, and that men really like to work in the early parts of a relationship. Let him talk to you instead of you talking to him. Not only does this work, but I promise many boys will want you more because they know you respect yourself enough to follow this rule. Number 18. Make him a little jealous. As mentioned earlier, you should not be jealous too much, and it is always a pleasure to make him a little jealous. Talk about how a boy tested you that day or how someone tried to flirt with you at work. Just let him know that he is not the only one who is sure that he needs you more. Number 19. Be mysterious. Do not reveal everything about yourself immediately. This includes your body as well as your personality. Boys seem a bit of a mystery. If they only knew what they were getting right away, he would not have had fun with it. They like to chase and find out what they need to know, especially about your body. Do not dress in a way that reveals too much. Make him look sexy. Number 20. Be in control. Do not give in to everything he says. Control it from time to time, whether in the bedroom or in general. Tell him you want to go to this place or that place, and when you want to go there. Do not wait for him to make plans and decisions. In bed, if you have a relationship, try to control yourself from time to time. Sometimes boys are not the only ones making decisions. Number 21. Always flirt with him. Just because the guy got it doesn't mean your job is done. Don't let your person flirt with you and make him forget how diligent and fun you are. This shows that you need him, and it always makes him feel good. Number 22. Show some skin. The look on the outside of the shoulder is hot now, and what better way to seduce your person than the skin? You do not want to show too much. Just a small leg, just your back or shoulder part is enough. Keep it a mystery and have some interest. It will get him on a good path. Number 23. Make him smile. Boys love a girl who can make them laugh just like us. When you can make a boy smile, he will be interested in your personality and he will want to spend more time around you. Part of making a boy want you is that he wants to spend more time with you. So make a joke. Don't be afraid to make fun of yourself. Definitely don't be afraid to make fun of him. Number 24. Dress more. As mentioned above, boys like to see you when you are comfortably dressed and on the ground. However, if you are going to a party or a special day, surprise him with red lips and pumps. Number 25. Have other priorities. Do not cancel plans with your family to see him. No matter how much you love him, he is not the most important thing in your life. You need to remember that your job, friends, and parents need to be as focused as he is. If you give up everything for him, he will think that he is holding you in his arms. Let him know that you are your own woman by prioritizing, occasionally, your job and family over him. Number 26. Don't try too hard. It can be so easy when a boy tries to make us want him a little. For example, we may decide to take extra time to prepare, and we may decide to wear extra special clothing at all times. Or we could send him cards, texts, or other things to let him know we think about him. Or maybe you're just like me, and you tend to express yourself through your words. If so, do not overdo it with how much you care about him. You can let him know in subtle ways without chasing after him or trying too hard. Boys like to know that girls are comfortable around them and comfortable enough to hold the low key. They also tend to like a slightly shy girl, so don't panic too much at first. Guys hate a bad and grumpy girl, so never go for either of these habits and expect positive results. Number 27. Be kind to his friends. If you cannot stand your man friend, this tactic may be difficult to remove, but you should. No boy wants a girl to be rude to her boyfriend. Just as we represent our girlfriend, they represent our boyfriend. They may tolerate you being rude to their friends for a while, but not for long. Boys like girls who respect their friends, family, and colleagues. It shows that you respect people by being polite to them in their lives. Number 28. Don't act too jealous. This can be tough, especially if you've cheated on a lot of guys before. No matter how hard it is, no one in a relationship can be jealous. To make him want you more, show that you are in a relationship and confident in yourself. If he gives you a reason to doubt him, you may want to question whether being in a relationship is best for your period. If you're not sure, do not confront him until there is enough evidence to prove his guilt, or it will make you look like a bad person. If other girls are having an affair with your boyfriend in front of you, let me share an easy tip for you. No matter how hard it is, instead of acting out of jealousy, smile at her, extend your hand, and introduce yourself as his girlfriend. Number 29. Be appreciative. I'm sure your value is shown because you do small things to let your person know what they think of you. All those days he planned, all those special dinners, all the tickets to the concert you were dying to see did all this to impress you. So don't be shy, just express your appreciation. He loves to see your effort and small details to remember your day. There are all sorts of variables in a relationship that can intensify the bond or break it into pieces. Keep your relationship strong by making your boyfriend someone who wants to be around more and more. Not only will he want to be close to you, but these tips will make it easier for you to talk, spend time, and stay long.